for a tour. Nag-fog na. Breakfast muna tayo guys dito. Sobrang ganda ng view.
Morning.
Pagkaganda-ganda naman ng aming view dito. May fog pa din, no? Ano? Clouds. Clouds actually yan. Sobrang ganda. Bali coffee yung pinili mo siya. What did you put? Sugar lang?
Brown sugar.
At saka mango juice. Akin naman is cappuccino. Tapos yung akin freezer. Combination of mango, pineapple, and one other fruit. Hindi ko na maalala. Di itsura ba? Mas hindi hot, no? Ini ako aba. Kita na. Strong citrus siya. So, itong mountain na pala to guys is last erupted sa 2016. Tapos active pa daw to siya. Pero hindi namin alam kung anong name nito. So, i-ask namin sa server. Order ko guys is braised pork belly. Ano yung sa'yo doon? Wala. Bibek yun.
Bibek nila.
Duck yun din siya. Kain! Huh? Picture taking this. Dito na pala tayo sa Slampoyang Temple.
Where did you get him? We'll see when we get there. What number do we have?
So ito yung famous na photo na spot, but then kailangan mo mag-antay kasi may number.
That's why they said 4
So you have to wait. So the number is 97. Tapos our number is 158. 158. So sobrang tagal pa mag-antay.
Another hour and a half.
Yeah. Ayan sila oh.
You don't want to wait, right?
No, that's too long. Pero maganda dito oh.
We have 3 doors. Normally we use 2 on the side.
So the middle na.
Yeah, so here for the exit. The middle one is open during the big day ceremony to bring our symbols of the death.
Tuyo pa. Take na po. Another one. Para is it? Is it a
Yes, luwak.
luwak? Luwak is the name of the animal.
It's kind of like a mongoose.
Okay.
Nocturnal animal.
Uh-huh.
Very aggressive.
So they eat the coffee beans.
Yes, they
Then
can choose
they-
like the good quality of the bean,
Uh-huh.
coffee bean. So they get a fermentation.
Uh-huh.
Then they're gonna poo.
Yeah.
After the poo, then we can collect it.
After the pool, we drink it.
Yeah. So in Bali that we call cat puccino.
Cappuccino.
Yeah,
Cat pucci.
But is it good?
It's
very
a good
famous.
one.
You like
It's a
it?
good one.
It's different.
Alright.
It's very
Luwak
different than like
coffee.
a normal coffee. Welcome to Sunas Bali Luwak Coffee. So my name is Nyoman. So I'll be your guide on here, yeah? Now on here I will escort you to the coffee, madam. The bean is Robusta.
Robusta.
So
Okay.
more strong coffee in Bali. This one, the bean is still young. You
Yeah.
see on here we will pick our coffee bean until the color red. And
So
this one
green.
is our flower of the coffee.
Ah, yeah.
See, maybe you can smell it if you want.
Has it smell of
Okay.
coffee?
Yeah, I think it's not. It's different. To make the chocolate.
Yes.
Hello.
Usually the
Naalala
cocoa,
ko
they
si
come flower on
Lola.
the trunk on here, so there's the fruit. Usually on here we will harvest when the color yellow.
Yeah.
So in Bali we use a lot of the coloring of the output, so make yellow rice,
Yellow,
chicken curry. But on here we make the tea.
Morning.
Don't put your finger inside, yeah.
That's the luwak.
Nah, so this animal in Bali we call luwak. Usually this one is a family of the Asian seabed cat. Or
Ah.
sometimes the other people they call mongoose or lemur.
Mongoose, yeah. Lemur.
Nah, so this animal on the nature, I mean on the wild, they eat the coffee bean. They're selected by themselves,
Yeah.
and they eat only the best coffee.
Ah.
You bite the Indians. It's not
You
giving
bite the locals.
Hot water. Alright.
Nice.
Good luck.
No, give it to her.
Alright. I think it's full.
Still some more.
Ah. Hello.
Hello, Luwak.
I'll put you some more, yeah? Extra. yeah.
And this is the regular Bali coffee.
regular
And
Bali
this is the after
coffee.
we harvest the red color on the tree, and this is the still dry for the 1 week. Yes.
45 until 1 hour until become dark like this. Maybe you can smell it. This one we have this the fresh one, madam. And lesung. So
Lesung
we
and
do
lu.
like this. Yeah. Now we do this one around 10 until 15 minutes. So depend on your power. If you're stronger, you can do more faster. You wanna try, madam? Yeah. You can
Try,
take a picture.
Michelle.
Yeah. Very good. Apri gym.
Free gym. Not strong enough. I'll take her 50 minutes. 1 hour.
So we do like 10 until 15 minutes. Now after that, madam, we have the final process. It's ready to drink, just like powder. Just take 1 teaspoon, put on the cup, you hot water, small number. So that's the white one is number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can taste our product. You can follow the number on the menu book. Yeah. Now this one, number 1, number 2, Bali coffee, and the cacao is no sugar and no milk. But the other we make with the coconut milk and with the coconut sugar. You wanna taste? It's like candy.
Mag-coffee at saka tea tasting tayo dito.
This the luwak coffee. Nah.
Smells very nice.
Yeah, nah, but I'm sorry, madam. Except for the special, this the luwak coffee. Maybe if you wanna taste, I'm sorry, we have to charge 50,000 a cup only for the luwak coffee. If you wanna taste, yeah.
So dito, tipping system lang siya. Wala silang charge sa lahat ng ipapataste nila sa amin except for the luwak coffee. And as you can see, maraming mga tourists talaga dito. Tapos dyan pa, and then doon pa siya sa unahan. How was it, Day?
I'm so sweaty.
Nainitan si Michelle. Hala, may puso ng saging, Day. Oh. Here. Alam niyo ba yung tree na yan, guys? Yung malaki. Rambutan yan. Hindi lang makita masyado sa video, pero rambutan pala yan. Hindi ko na-expect ganun pala kataas yung tree ng rambutan. Akala ko mga maliliit lang yan. Ba yan? Yan.
One is Bali.
Nakainom na nga ng bali ko.
Ano na una i-try?
May ano pa, complimentary money.
Kami bilang mo ni. Bali Coco. Number 2.
Lagi turmeric. Number 1 sa ta. Butter teaspoon.
Coco. And I will try coconut coffee. Extra cocoa.
Madam.
Thank
This is
you.
The teaspoon,
Thank
yeah,
you
it's
so
good, yeah. Nah, I'm sorry, madam. What about the special luwak coffee? You wanna taste the luwak coffee?
Yep.
How many cup will that be? 2 or?
You want to?
Yeah.
I'll just taste
Just
Or
one.
maybe you can one you pour together, yeah. Nah,
Okay.
and then special
Doesn't
for
like
your
it.
luwak coffee, I will preparing with the special way for you, yeah.
Alright.
Alright,
Just take your
thank
time,
you.
yeah. I will let you know when I make the luwak
Thank
for you.
you.
Yeah?
Butang na sa kanila. Harap sa pang-kwarta.
Cheers.
Atip mo ni kapiro.
Sugar. Sugar yun, robusta. Sila dyan ka na.
Tukan siya na.
And smiling tingnan.
Maganda ito na experience ko. Naalala ko si Lola sa mga ganito kasi madami siyang kakao. Tapos gumagawa din siya ng mga kape before.
Hindi mo siya kape, day? Hilak na pala siya. Lula. Lula, nihilak na dyan. Nihilak na dyan.
Thank you. Girl.
Oh, Lola.
Buong to si Kuya. Balik niya dito hatol niya luwa. Hilak na bihanan.
Ano yan, number 1? Okay yung mata. Trapuin ka na yung mata. Hilak mo na. Buko.
Contact lens. Ano malipay ka?
Huloy ka ng gataw. Huwag ko nalipan ng gataw.
You
Number
don't have
3.
to finish everything.
Coconut coffee and vanilla coffee. You wanna try the coconut first?
Kung ano yung asa ka na eh.
Number 3, coconut.
Ay, lami ni.
Lami, sige, ang vanilla. Mura siya ka ng antong himuon.
Masarap.
Itong sa una natin, vanilla nga ka ng pump.
So, coconut na eh. Swap tabi. Uy, wasa ni? Or tabi mo siguro?
Di, wey.
Lami na.
Parang po, malami din ng coconut coffee.
Hindi namin uubusin kasi meron pa tayong luwak.
Ganito na mata namin. Yes, kuya, let's go. Nice. It's a very subtle mocha.
Grabe aftertaste niya siya.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Maybe if you wanna see the process how we make the luwak,
Oh,
you can
yeah.
take a picture or video over there.
Alright.
And I will be stay here too. I think.
We'll go there now?
Yeah.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away.
Ito try ko yung ginger.
Akin is avocado.
Ginger coffee. Avocado nga coffee yung kanya sir. Ulo, lumian ko ani. Inani.
Avocado is nice.
Swap. Let's swap.
Try it.
Da.
Alang ko ayo day.
Dili kay ko sa avocado. I like the ano.
Alang ko yung ginger.
Ginger coffee. Gusto ko. Kalibang mo na.
Nanago sa avocado.
Dagdag na kay coffee. Okay, tapos na to sa coffee.
Yeah.
Tea na ta. Tea na naman.
Move your thing.
Michelle's gonna try the luwak coffee. You can add sugar, ingon si ate. Strong ka ayo? Hala, di na ko kanap ana sa car.
Like, lamig ka yung taste, pero strong you can see it.
Again, ano to siya? Tae siya nung
Luwak.
pinakain namin ng banana kanina, luwak. Oh my God, ka-strong. Grabe ka-strong.
Pero it's not that bitter, no? Asa daw mata? Pakita na ko sa mata.
Yan naman.
Lo! Nagka-feel withdrawal.
Nagkurog na ba?
Still in Bali, better you drink in Bali.
Mm.
Now, maybe if you wanna have look, maybe you wanna buy some souvenir for
Yeah.
the family, just take your time, yeah?
Ito gusto ko, ginger coffee. Yeah. Lemongrass tea.
This one?
Yeah.
Big one?
Yan. Si Kuya na yung bahala sa mga entrance.
Where's the castle?
Ito, ang daming koi dito. As you can see, ang dami ding tao. Rest house of the castle. Of the king. Ah.
Holy water. A lot! Daghan na. Lord, ako asa ko eh. My God, they're so big. God, there's so many of them. We're already outside the water. They can?
Ang ganda din dito guys. Pwede kang mag-ride ng boat pero ayaw na namin. Lakad-lakad na lang kami dito. Very relaxing. Dami talagang koi. Na pinakamalaki kong nakitang koi. Yeah, all rice.
When you're in Bali, we plan like two types. So actually, we have like 5 types of pork.
Four
Type of
types.
rice. Yes. So we have like a normal rice, sticky rice, red rice, and black rice.
Black rice.
Yes.
Michelle's gonna go for a swing. Ooh. Wow.
Yes.
Really? Jesus. Uy.
우회전 taking a ride to Jonathan 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 동선을 타고 난 날아
Lunch na tayo guys, buffet tayo. Naka-line kami. Time for our lunch. Kuya, one mo ko itong swing day eh.
Try it. It's like Filipino barbecue.
Lamig. Struggle is real pala ang papunta doon, guys. Kasi yung ano ba, yung walk medyo steep. Tsaka maraming hagdanan. Pero we're very close. Hala, yan na. Finally, we're here. Boa Radyo. Ayan siya. Nice. Ahora gunin sila ng sapatos. Oh my God, ang ganda! Swim!
우회전 taking a ride to Jonah Lake 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 내 설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 헤어지는 천천히
Guys, literal, rain or shine. Very sexy ni Michelle, no? Grabe yung daanan. Struggle kasi bumuhos talaga yung ulan. Guys, patay. Grabe ka, steep. Be careful ka pa kasi baka ma-slide ka ba. Kasi medyo slippery. Laka!
들어가야 해 어쩔 때에는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑
Guys, nandito na kami sa accommodation and actually kanina pa nag-chill lang ako. Super happy ako na napuntahan namin yun. And then ang bait din kasi ng tour guide namin. Hindi ko lang, napakita ko siguro siya konti sa inyo. And ayun, yung charge naman ng tour guide, how much was it?
215.
1.5.
215 each.
Okay. So, nag-book kami sa TripAdvisor ng tour guide. So, the whole tour, it cost us 215 per person, AUD. So, medyo pricey siya in a way, pero the convenience naman, hindi ka na magdadrive, hindi ka na magsa-struggle, maghahanap ng, what do you call that, transport, papunta sa mga lugar na gusto mong puntahan, yun naman makukuha mo from paying that amount. And, yun nga, mabait naman si Kuya. Pwede mo ding sabihan na i-stop mo ako kasi naiihina ako. And withdraw kami sa ATM. So, overall, ang bilis lang din niyang kausap. So, okay siya. So, if you want, I think if mas marami kayo, mas cheaper. Mas cheaper talaga yung babayaran nyo. So, maganda siya na option. So, if ever plano nyo pumunta dito, the more the merrier. The more makakamura kayo sa mga ganon. Is it not part of the complimentary?
We're staying 5 nights.
That's alright. We'll call back, We'll just check. Busy kaya atong call center. Hello? Okay. So, it's included. Yeah, 9:30 a.m. Okay. Cool. Sorry. We come to the reception for confirmation or is it confirmed na? Alright. Cool. Thank you. Bye-bye. Busy yung ating call center kasi alam niyo na, nagbubook na kami ahead. Tomorrow, we're gonna have some floating breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Floating breakfast. Guys, swimming muna tayo. Yan, kanina pa yan. Nagsiswimming. Swimming sa waterfalls. Dito, diretso, Swimming na naman siya dito. Hangul ka, ha? Naka-swimming ako, guys, kasi medyo mainit yung ating katawan.
Okay ka na. Dive ka diha. Sa ubos pa. One more step. There. Dive. Di mauna ron. Duko. Jump on the knees. Then to the toes. Pieces stages mo. Wow. Parang baki ah. Ano ang kamot? A little bit, a lot of hapla. A lot of hapla. Nice. Wrong technique, but fine.
Hindi ko dapat kumakambing hawa.
Another one, another one.
Ay, layo pa.
Layo ba? Layo.
Sa ilalong ko.
Go. Nilutang. Nasubraan sa ng buhay.
Guys, tapos na tayong maligo and kanina, kakaloka, nag-order kami ng, anong pangalan? Babi Galong. Tama ba?
Mami ko yun.
Babi Guling. Baba? Pasta? Lechon. Lechon siya dito. Mga 8 pa lang kami nag-order guys. Tapos yung problema, walang Grab driver na nag-pick up ng aming order. So, sobrang antay kami to the point na 8:55 na, almost 1 hour kami nag-antay na wala na kaming choice except mag-order from here. So, nagbayad tuloy kami ng $45. But, that's okay kasi gutom na kami. Wala na kaming choice. Ooh, I have the salmon. Tsaka mayroon tayong veggies. And what's... Couscous? Is that couscous? And Michelle's got steak. My veggies. And we have rice, of course. And eto, drink ko. Michelle's already having Coke. Kain tayo, guys. Sana masarap. Kaya mahal lang ka. Dapat namin ka. Excited sana kami sa lechon. No? First time sana natin makatikim kung anong lasa ng kanilang palechon dito.
Yes, napag mo na. Steak today siya.
Ha?
Steak.
Ano wala ka ba sa mga order?
Abi na kong kuan. O subuko.
It is good, Jude, as in. Sarap. Fairness, masarap siya magluto. Try ko yung steak ni Michelle. Is it good?
Not the usual steak, but not so spices.
It's ano? Kaya may ihapon.
Yeah.
In fairness naman ilahang ko ang food. How is it? Good.
Not bad.